United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 164. The Economic Planning Commission. 1. Members of the Economic Planning Commission shall have appropriate qualifications, such as those relevant to mining, management of mineral resource activities, international trade, or international economics. The Council shall endeavour to ensure that the membership of the Commission reflects all appropriate qualifications. The Commission shall include at least 2 members from developing states, whose exports of the categories of minerals to be derived from the area have a substantial bearing upon their economies. 2. The Commission shall a. Propose, upon the request of the Council, measures to implement decisions relating to activities in the area taken in accordance with this convention. b. Review the trends of and the factors affecting supply, demand and prices of minerals which may be derived from the area, bearing in mind the interests of both importing and exporting countries, and in particular of the developing states among them. c. Examine any situation likely to lead to the adverse effects referred to in Article 150, subparagraph h, brought to its attention by the state party, or states parties concerned, and make appropriate recommendations to the Council. d. Propose to the Council for submission to the Assembly, as provided in Article 151, paragraph 10, a system of compensation, or other measures of economic adjustment assistance for developing states, which suffer adverse effects caused by activities in the area. The Commission shall make the recommendations to the Council that are necessary for the application of the system, or other measures adopted by the Assembly in specific cases.